think it is?
I don't know. I think it is a Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown? I don't know. Is there no more paper to tear?
Yeah.
How many bows does it have?
I don't know.
Count the bows.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. It has 3 bows. It must be a good present. Oh, look at her face. She missed it. What is it?
I don't know. Is it for Zachary?
No, it's for you. What is it?
I don't know.
It's Disneyland.
Yeah.
See? There's the rides. Here's
Open it up.
the boat.
Open it up. Oh.
Look. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. I don't know all their names. And Minnie Mouse and the little pig.
And the train. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Here's a ride. They ride in.
Yes, Daddy. You want me to show Daddy what it is?
Uh-huh.
It's a ride. What's the ride? Open this, friend.
Okay. What that is.
Oh, it's a surprise. Ooh.
Rides. Like
Yeah.
they have at Disney World.
Yeah. There's merry-go-round.
Right. Here's that ride you rode with Daddy.
Yeah. We started looking for that.
Uh-huh. That's right. Okay, now we have to learn how to put it together. It's
Yeah.
going to be fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Open this up.